Before she was even chief whip, Honorable Colleen Makubele was then, I'd actually nominated her to lead in that role.
The internal rifts within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party are threatening to spill into a full public view as spokesperson Nhlamulo Ndlela denies receiving formal communication about his alleged removal from the party's parliamentary whip team. This follows the circulation of a letter purportedly penned by MK Party Deputy President John Hlophe, in which Ndlela is accused of disruptive behavior, factionalism, and violating the party's disciplinary code. The letter, which surfaced on social media on Tuesday, also reprimanded another high-profile member, Duduzile Zuma Sambudla, for unspecified conduct. But Ndlela has dismissed the contents of the letter, telling Newsroom Africa he first saw it online and never received an official copy, and said, "We've seen the letter via social media. I've never received it in its physical form." According to Ndlela, when he raised the matter with Hlophe directly, the Deputy President allegedly claimed that his digital signature had been used without his authorization, a matter that is now under internal review. The controversy comes amid growing signs of tension within the MK Party's parliamentary caucus. Multiple members of parliament have reportedly raised concerns over newly appointed Chief Whip Colleen Makubele, with calls for her immediate removal. It is alleged that Makubele is facing backlash for what critics describe as unilateral decision-making, ideological betrayal, particularly regarding her views on Israel, and ineffective leadership since taking office at the end of May. However, Ndlela has attempted to downplay the discontent, affirming that Makubele remains in her position, and said there is nothing untoward within the caucus. The caucus is strong, and Honorable Colleen continues to be our chief whip in parliament. Asked about Makubele's reported stance on Israel, Ndlela said he was unaware of the origins of the claims, but acknowledged that adjustments to the whippery are not unusual. He further emphasized the need to clarity and discipline in communication within the party, and said when it comes to letters floating around, the party needs to get a grip and establish who is behind them. As the MK Party continues to settle into its new parliamentary role following the recent general election, these developments point to growing pains within a movement still finding its footing and fighting to maintain internal cohesion amid rising factional disputes. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.